ka na namin tatawaging Mama A dahil ito po ay hiram na salita. So, mula ngayon, tatawagin ka na naming Ina. Hoy, live na. Oh my God.
Okay, we are live now and I'm just gonna screen share.
Teka, sandali, anong gagawin ko? Kailangan ko ba ng cards? What? Ano yung dapat kong i-prepare?
We're already live.
Naka-live ka na, hindi mo pa rin alam yung script.
Anong gagawin ko?
Okay, hello everybody. Hello. You can turn on your camera if you're if you're up for it. You can turn on your cameras. Hello everybody. So medyo ano lang yung iba, choppy ang
Hi.
Hello, Mama A. So we'll rename.
Yes.
You can ask Hannah to rename herself if she likes to have a nickname. A unicorn nickname. Yes, it's
So what's my nickname?
What do you want?
Athena. Ano ba sa Tagalog ang unicorn?
Athena. Sorry. Wait, Athena ka na lang.
Hindi. Ati. Ati.
Inday.
Inday pala. Bakit?
Inday.
Inday.
Ewan ko sa inyo, bahala kayo. Kailangan ko ba mag-card? Kailangan ko magkuha ng card? What?
Can have, if you like to give us angel reading tonight, it's all right, Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Midnight Unicorn Club. And we have a very special guest straight from Boracay. And, as you can see, he has an awesome room. Ayan. So, we are joined by, by the way, I'm Tina Light Sparkle, and with me are, hello everybody, you introduce yourselves.
Hi, I am Zai. What's my name, Gani? Nakalimot ko. Silver Moon.
Oy, ano ba yan?
Hi, Silver Moon. Yes, hello, I am Silver Moon. Super.
Hello, Zai Silver Moon. And
hello, I'm Bella Chow.
Hello, Bella Chow. You have to, sino yan? Sino yung mga words? And we have
Genie Rarity from the land of Stands.
I love that. The land of Stand. Gusto ko talaga dyan. How about our guest for tonight also, who just recently joined us, and she's wondering why she's here also.
Wait lang. Hi, I'm Ato de la Cruz. I'm your love coach.
Hello.
For tonight. So we will talk about love.
Sige, ginawa yung Inday ng si Mother.
Sige.
Inday.
From Boracay.
Sige, ano ba sa Tagalog ang love
Malay
coach?
Aklan. Di ba?
Diba? So, syempre, ayusin natin yung nickname ni Mama A. Alam mo naman talaga.
Inday Athena.
Inday Athena. Ay, hello, good evening daw from Mommy Dot. Hello, beautiful people.
Hello.
Inday Gid.
Wow. Momsy.
Hello.
I'm so happy.
Welcome to the Midnight Unicorn Club. So, what are we going to talk about tonight? I know a lot of things have been happening the past few weeks. Like, there are 6 planets in retrograde. Is it 6 planets? And then, coupled with, ang tawag yan, mga eclipses, the full moon, and all that. And so, everybody's feeling fuzzy. so communication is fuzzy and all of that. So if you're feeling it, but it's okay. It's part of your mastery to, handle your body and your emotions and all of that. But we are here for support if you need some clarity with certain things, and maybe we can, contribute to you. So tonight, what can we contribute to you? We have our love coach, Ato, who is very generous to give us angel readings tonight. So if you have any love concerns, if you have love concerns, don't go to Tina Light Sparkle, because I tell you, be single. Pero if you want to have, a partner, go to Mama A, love coach Ato. So maybe we have people from the Fox tribe or whoever is watching. Hello, Darlene. Darlene is watching us from live lang muna.
Wow.
Yes. Hello, Mama A. So how have you been?
Hello, Bubbles.
Yeah.
Hello, Mama A. Ina.
And Jabez is also watching us.
Yeah. Hello, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so delightful of being your guest for tonight, of the unicorn, moonlight, whatever. What do you call this? Okay. And I'm also happy because you invited me. Wow.
Yay.
Oh, there you go. There's Zai. All right. And Belia. Bongga si Belia. Okay. Hi, everyone. And
I am Silver Moon tonight. I'm not Zai. I am Silver Moon.
Tapos
wow.
Bella po, hindi po Belia.
Hindi po siya si Belia Flores, mga kaibigan. Siya po si Bella Ciao.
Ang kanyang game handle sa Eternal.
Aling Belia.
Pero it's anyway, just to be with everybody, maybe you'd like a reading from Mama A. Ooh, would like a love reading. Love reading ba to, Mama A?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Saan mo ba ako? Charot lang. Atik lang. But really, Mama A has been our awesome support for the past years, since 2012 that we have met him. And yeah, my first encounter with him was actually a past life regression. And the story was like, he was telling me, oh, you lived in a castle. And I'm like, wow, I'm a princess. Tapos binasag niya ang trip ko. Sinabi niya, no, you're a nanny to a princess. I'm like, a nanny. Okay, whatever. So that's just one of the lifetimes.
And the most unforgettable experience with Ty Arthur, no? With Ty Arthur. I had a past life regression with the father of Tina, nung time na yon. And then Tina was there inside the room. No? Tina was there inside the room. And of course, Ty Art, his name is Ty Art. Okay, so we are on the relaxation part of the therapy. And then sabi ko sa kanya, June, relax your chest, June. Relax your body, June. At gumising ba naman si Ty Arthur, sabi niya, sino si June?
That is so funny, Mama A, kasi ang name ng papa ko is June.
Oh,
Iba ang tinatawag.
Nagmulat ako. Tumingin ako kay Tina. Sabi ko, Tina, sino si June?
That was really, tama, no, pwede din. Papa ni Zion. Diba? So, that was really a
I have my golden tarot card tonight.
Oh, my.
If you want to have a reading, I can draw 3 cards.
Yay.
Oh my God, I want that.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know what,
Pero
guys?
unahin muna
I'll tell
natin
you
ang
something, no?
unahin
I'll
muna
tell you
natin ang
something.
ating viewers.
I'll tell you something.
Hello,
This
Ate
is my...
Zarina and Jed.
Hello.
Oh, wow. Uh-oh. For past 3 months,
Yes.
every time I open the card, wala talagang sagot ang card for me because everything is uncertain. Ito lang lately, and then this is the second full moon last night, you know, and then the card started to talk and started to give messages. So for those who want to have a messages, say, just let me know and I'll draw 3 cards for you.
We say yes, yes, yes.
And we have one of our viewers who said yes, si Jabez daw. Jabez Alianza.
So wow, so Jabez, here's your 3 cards.
Jabez from Tigos.
Okay. So you have the wand, the first number 1 wand, and then yay, you have your the Fool, and you have number 4 card na wand. So ang ibig sabihin nito, you will have a new venture in your business. No, kung meron kang iniisip na negosyo na bago, ituloy mo siya. No? In terms of relationship, wala kasing relationship na lumabas eh. It's actually, this card is about celebration. And this card is all about a new beginning. The both are new beginning. It is a major arcana. So meaning there are a new opportunity would come in your ways. Yay!
Wow, thank you for that. Jabez is saying wala, delayed ang ating delayed ang live. But thank you for that, Mama A. Our next magpapabasa is Prosperity Vanessa Villanueva from DXN Binangoonan.
Wow! Okay. Okay, so you have... All right. Okay. Huwag padalos-dalos. These are your cards, no? Huwag daw po muna padalos-dalos sa mga desisyon in terms of relationship. Kung may nangliligaw sa'yo, pag-isipan mo muna. Huwag mo muna pong sagutin. Ayan. Tapos, ang sabi dito, huwag po tayong huwag po natin tignan kung ano pong meron siya in terms of material things. Pag-isipan natin tignan natin yung kaniyang values tsaka yung essence ng taong ito. Ha? So, huwag mo na padalos-dalos ang iyong desisyon.
Char.
Galing. Huwag padalos-dalos, ti.
Maru.
Pag-isipan mo na, ha? Pag-isipan.
Huwag maging Gemerlin. Okay. Hala ka? Ay, hala? Hala? Grabe na. Ang next is si Miss Vanessa Resede. Charot. Vanessa Resede from here. Oh, ayan na. Si Vanessa daw, Mama A, please.
Oh. Okay. There you go. Number 1, huwag ka daw mag-worry sa iyong finances. Okay, number 2, follow your heart. You will never go wrong. Huwag gamitin ang intelektual. Huwag masyadong pag-isipan ang mga bagay-bagay. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin nito, it's the intuition, it's the, yun. No? So, follow your heart, follow your instinct, Follow your intuition. And that's it. Huwag i-follow ang kung anong mga niwo-worry mo sa buhay. In terms of finances, do not worry. Do not worry. It will provide on its own. The more you become worried, the more it will not, hindi lalapit sa'yo ang pera. Yan ang nakakapag-block sa abundance mo, anak. Okay? So, do not worry. And kung ano yun sa puso mo, just let go of it and follow your heart. It will never go wrong.
Yes. Ang ganda ng deck mo, Mama A, golden, kumikinang.
Yes.
Just like the coach, golden.
Yeah. Oo, na isang lako na yung isang card. May value pa.
Yeah. Hindi ka namin papasingahin kasi marami pong nanonood sa'yo ngayon. So we have, of course, Darlene Suelto.
Oh my God, Darlene! Wait lang. Kailangan ko take a deep breath. Whew.
Wow!
Okay,
Good luck, Darlene.
OMG, Darlene. Wait. Okay, look, Darlene. Meron ka mga bagong ideas. Okay? Natatakot ka lang gawin ang mga creative ideas mo kasi maraming fear, baka hindi siya mag-prosper or whatever. Go ahead. The card says, go ahead. Okay? Your creativity actually inspires you, no? So, gamitin mo lahat yan, ang iyong mga creative ideas, and it will prosper. Yan ang sabi ng card. Oh my God, yes. The answer is yes. At
Oh
card,
my.
yan ang magbibigay sa iyo ng financial sustainability.
Bongga, babo.
Bubbles. We love
Oo. Darl, tignan mo, financial sustainability.
Ayan na.
Oh,
Ayan na.
Hindi among finance
Ating
officer.
manager.
Yes, how
Yung
does it
finance
get any
officer.
better than that?
Yes.
What else is possible? Basta Darl, bahini mi Darl ha.
May mga bagong ideas ka, Darl. Go ahead. The answer is yes.
Marami siyang ideas. Marami.
Wow.
Sobra.
Isa na doon ang charot. So, ang next, thank you so much, Mama A. Ang next is Miss Jov Lorimia.
Yeah.
Miss Jov.
Wow. Okay. Sige. May hinaharap kang challenges sa buhay ngayon, wag mong takasan. Harapin mo siya. Kasi yan ang magbibigay sa iyo ng clear, maliwanag na perception sa buhay. In short, wag mo siyang iwasan. And yan kasi kasi this is a major arcana, this is a magician. Ang ibig sabihin nito, lahat ng wish mo at lahat ng hihingin mo matutupad. Ang blockages lang is that huwag mo siyang takasan. Harapin mo ang iyong problema. Harapin mo yung challenges sa life.
Wow, love that. Mama A, grabe, you're on a roll. And our next...
Dire-diretso, oh my God, I'm online.
Talaga yan.
I'm online.
Avail the promo.
By the way,
While supplies last. Oh my God, while supplies last.
we have Joe Samura from Bolivia. Okay, he's watching straight from Bolivia.
Wow, hi.
Wow.
Joes! Pero ang next natin na i-read is of course Miss Hannah Alnuani.
Hi. Next na?
Yes, next na si Miss Hannah.
Oh my God, si Hannah. Okay. Hannabelle.
New.
Oh my God. Ang lahat ng karma mo sa relationship tapos na ang paghihirap mo.
Woohoo!
May bagong lalaki darating sa buhay mo.
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
This person is 30-ish. 30-ish. Okay.
30.
However, masyado ka yatang matraumatic sa iyong past relationship. Please let go and forgive. Kasi yan ang magiging blockages sa bagong darating na boylet mo.
My God! Hana, pangalawang
But
lalaki na yan.
however, tapos na ang paghihirap mo sa may iyong relationship. Oh my God. Receive it.
Yes. Bongga!
Wow,
Pati na.
Hana. Ayan na yung mga mga birthing pains natin dyan.
Kaya pala nagbo-bursting pain si Hana kanina.
Yes. Ang iluluwal pala niya ay relasyon.
Yes. Oo, yeah.
Love that. Next.
So yes, maraming salamat. So after kay Hana, of course, si Bestie, si Fanny.
Sino?
Sige. I thought si Joseph.
Fanny Rodriguez.
Wow.
Funny ang mga comments.
Bakit? Anong name niya?
Fanny. Fanny Rodriguez.
Fanny, kailangan mo mag-aral ng bagong skills. Kailangan mo mag-aral ng bagong skills kasi yan ang magbibigay sa'yo ng financial sustainability. Kung mag-aaral ka, may further study, may training, whatever, go for it. Kasi yan ang magbibigay sa'yo ng sustainability.
Ay, pagiging chef na talaga yan dyan. Char.
Yes.
Official enroll.
Yes. Here's your card.
Yan na
Okay.
talaga yan, Fanny.
Yes, go for it. Go for it. Go for it.
God.
Go for it.
Fanny. And of course, ang next is Jose Tamura. Kaya excited kayo.
Wow.
Jose from Bolivia.
Oh, Jose.
Oh,
Oh, Jose. Mamay, wag na sa Jeep series, ha?
Wait lang. Oh, Jose.
I like that. Oh, Jose.
Jose, masyado kang emotional ngayon. Ano yung pinag-iisipan mo? Oo. Okay. And this is about emotion. This is connected with your longing for someone.
ang no.
Aww.
Teka, tanong muna natin si Jose kung okay sa kanya i-public.
I-private na lang.
Jose, i-private message mo ko. I'll tell you more further about it.
Gidugo daw siya.
Si Jose karon, so.
Ay, funny.
We would
Kasi
like
may good news ako sa iyo oh. He's older than you.
Ala.
Kaya hindi lang siya mag-manifest dahil masyado mong pinag-iisipan na baka hindi na siya dumating. Darating kasi siya eh.
Oh, everybody's having partners.
Yes.
Don't worry, Shifu.
This is a card of overwhelming kasi eh. Overwhelmed.
Okay lang daw i-public.
Okay lang daw i-public. Yes.
Oo. Most awaited.
Marami siyang
Pag malungkot,
marami
huwag
siyang
malungkot.
pinagpipilian.
Oh,
That's
I see.
ano.
Wow.
Oo.
I mean, options.
Now, kung marami kang
Siyang
pinagpipilian,
options.
kung sino yung older, yun.
Hindi daw si
Oldest.
Richard Poon yun. Char.
Mukha na lang siyang si Richard Poon.
Ay, how old ba daw? 60 plus ba daw?
Or hindi naman.
Inat.
Yeah, it's 3 years older than you.
Oh my gosh, 3 years is okay.
Oh.
Not old.
Ay, baka pwede nga si Richard Poon. Char.
Hello, Richard Poon, if you're watching. So, hello to our new viewers who just jump in. Miss Sherry Luz Bacaro. We have Jenny and Mary Chris, Darlene's friends. And of course, here in the call, we have Avi the Great. Avi of the Great.
Yes, nice ng name niya, no?
Ava.
The current
Yes.
bida of Warrior Nun sa Netflix.
Yes.
That
Ava Silva.
Wala ko yung royalty ng pag-promote ako, but yes, you watch that. Our next, thank you Mama A for that reading for Joes.
Wait lang, mag-greet pa po ko sa Mystic Angels na page. Naapapunta naka-cross-post sa Mystic Angels, guys. If you want to watch, nandun din po tayo live din po tayo sa Mystic Angels. Mysticy. Okay, hello kay Miss Zarina at saka si Miss Loella. Jed is also watching, and Mami Dot. Mami Dot said, great reading for Darlene. Go for it. Amo na. So, and thank you daw Mama A from Miss Job. Yes, and from Vanessa. Okay, the next is Miss Zarina Vina.
Now I'm spreading an angel card answer. I'll just give you one card and this is the answer of your questions. Improving health. Kung may nararamdaman ka ngayon, the answer is your health is improving.
Perfect.
Wow, what else is possible, Ate Z?
Thank you.
Thank you for
Wow.
So do not worry about your illness or disease. It's going better and
you're healed.
you're healed.
Yes.
How
Amen.
does it get any better than that?
What else is possible? Wow, so lovely the message. Next. Next.
Kanang masyak-syak ko ba?
Gani.
Urat-uratan ko sa mga message.
Very on point.
Ang bongga ng energy ni Mama A.
Hindi na siya Mama A. Nag-change siya kasi siya ng pangalan.
Ay, mali pala
Oo.
ni Mama A.
Inang Athena.
Inang
Inang
A ka na lang. Inang A.
Nang
Ang
A.
dami ng name sa akin. Bahala na kayo dyan.
Inang A. So kapag galit kay Inang A.
Diba? Para ano talaga, Filipino. Next. Next. Para talaga ano. Next, we have Miss Sherry Luz Bacaro. Message for Miss Sherry Luz Bacaro.
Kung may niwo-worry ka, the answers, the angel says, do not worry. You don't need to worry.
Wow.
Okay?
Wow. Thank you for that. For that reading. No need to worry. Be happy.
Yes.
And ano sila, Fanny, ganahan daw sila sa akong earrings. So, i-flex ko lang ang earrings ko. I got this from the Peace Fest. You know? It's really awesome. It's clay. I think made out of clay.
Yeah. Yung, kanino nga yan? Yung kasama ba yan ni Mona?
Vanity.
Oo, ni Candles Vanity.
Ang cute ng tawa ni Maggie.
Kaya happy siya eh.
Ay, gusto ko show nyo. Parang wala lang.
Ha?
Oo. May
Wala
greetings lang po.
Wala lang. Nag-greetings lang tayo sa mga tao.
May gusto po mag-rate dito. Gusto mag-rate. Okay, may mga reactions ta. Hindi reactions, but mga comments about kay Joes. From Ate Zarina Vina. Oh my Joes! My love life na si Joes. Wee! Tapos si Fanny naman, Joes, kailan pa? Di ba?
Nasiwalat in public na tuloy.
Oo, so lumalove life ang ating ati. So, next na gusto magpabasa po kay Inang A ay si Miss Mary Jane Dionella.
Yay. I love Badgie's face.
Anong name niya?
Mary Jane Dionella. Is it Jonella Dionella?
Mary Jane, yung umutang sa'yo, ibig sabihin nito, bigyan mo muna ng pagkakataon na makapagbayad siya. This is the card of compassion. This is a card of money, no? This is a card of money. This is, and mukhang hirap yata siya. So, you have to give consideration on this person. Kung may utang man siya sa'yo, finances.
Ayun na naman, kumikinang na naman yung
Ayun
cards
na.
ni Mama A.
Kita mo yun, Ate Jane? So, tapos bibigyan ka ng bike nun. What do we know? What else is possible? Ganda ng card, no? Yung kumikinang ang gold coin. Baka gold coin talagang ibabayad. I like that.
Hoy, yung first card ko kaya na sa'yo. Maganda rin yun.
Yes, of course. I have it beside me. Wait lang. Ito naman yung mga aking ka-fairy-fairyhan.
Yeah, the shadow.
Wow.
Very
Shadow
So
skates.
pretty.
Yeah, just like us. Equally pretty.
Oh, by the way,
So, sinong next?
we have Miss Mary Chris Zosa.
Marie Chris.
Yay.
Marie Chris, I spread an angel card. Marie Chris, the answer is perfect timing. Whatever it is, go ahead. Kung meron ka pinag-iisipan, it's a perfect timing now.
Bongga. The time is now.
Wow, thank you for that. Next we
So,
have
parang kung may pinag-iisipan ka, wag mo nang pag-isipan pa. Ganon.
Oh. Yun na yun. It's a perfect
Ganda.
timing.
next we have Jenny Tavar.
Jenny, the answer is yes. Whatever it is, it's yes. With exclamation point.
Ay, sayang, hindi ako na Jenny, Char.
The answer is yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, diba? Awesome.
Bonggels.
Love the readings. So there are a lot of people actually watching us. There's like a hello from Miss Tita Garcia Fernando. She's one of our top fans in Fox Tribe. So hello everyone there. Happy to each and everyone. So God bless you all. So yun. Zai, do you have something?
Thank you. Yes, okay, mag-hello lang tayo sa bagong pumasok sa Mystic Angels. Tapos may nagre-react doon sa Mystic Angels na page ba? Ang pangalan niya Mystic Angels din. Anyway. Alam ko kung sino yon.
Sino
Anyway,
yan?
I want
yung may love life. Yung maraming love life.
Anong sabi?
siya na marami tapos Mystic Angels.
Siya talaga yung nagre-reply dito. Anyway, hello daw from Miss Rodeline Calibo of Iloilo, and magpaparead din daw siya, Mama A. Yes.
Magpaparead
Hello,
ka?
beautiful people. Yes, please.
Okay, now I'm spreading an illuminated card for you, Rods.
Agoy, Illuminati card. Ow, joke lang.
By the way, Hannah is appreciating your outfit, Shenior Zai. She's saying, Ate Zai, nag-outfit jud ka for this show. Amazing kayo ang pagka-feminine jud sa aura. It's also the lipstick.
Yeah.
Yes, Han. Actually, Han, wa pa ko'y ligo. Ay, kaganinang ligo ko mo niya akong suot pag-visit sa kwa sa mga goddess pod. Kailangan yun, ka-level na ko mga goddess pod. Grabe.
It's ready.
Ross, this is in terms of your career. Mukhang medyo magulo pa ang sitwasyon ngayon dahil it's collapsing. But however, it says that there's a brighter future. Ang importante lang dito, mag-antay ka. Just wait. Wait a little bit more time. Kasi medyo, as of the moment, hindi pa maganda ang sitwasyon.
Nice artwork for that deck.
Yeah.
And nice message.
Thank you for the message.
Nice message.
Inang A, someone wants to give a hello to you. Si Eric James of Davao. He say,
Oh, hi!
shout out.
Eric!
O, diba? Pa-shout out.
Hey!
Si EJ, yes. Hello daw. And I have my friend Anna from Japan watching. Hello, Anna.
Hi, Anna.
So, sino pa? Who's next? If no one is next, maybe we'll do a round from the Zoom call here. Who would like to go first? Be brave.
Me.
Okay. Who?
Me.
Si Miss Belia, char lang.
Yeah, the real
Si
name
Belia Flores.
here.
Sino yun?
Aling Belia. Aling Belia, queen.
Kaya ko lang
Ang goddess ng Legazpi, si Bella Chow.
Yes.
Ay, wag kayo. Ako
Billion
ba
Chow.
Ay, wag kayo. Ako ba ang isa sa product ng love coaching ni Kuya Ato, ha?
Oh, yes! Can you tell us about it, Bella?
Yeah. Storytelling. Ano nga yung activity mo nun, Kuya Ato? Mother A?
Ewan ko
Basta
sa'yo.
nagpa-list ka ng 5 na yung
Apoy.
apoy and apoy.
Okay.
Yun.
Ano ba
Yung
yun?
5 years,
Amazing
Amazing power of
intention.
intentions.
Ayun. Tapos 5 years in 5 years.
Oy, naalala ko pala yun. Oo. Grabe
Oo.
pala humiyaw nun. Tsaka grabe pala yung
Basta grabe yung energy natin. Tapos yun.
Oy, pinawisan ako doon, oy.
Top 5 lang yung pinasulat mo, tapos lagay mo somewhere sa wallet. Tapos yung top 3 ko talaga nun is love life. Number 1, love life. Number 2, love life. Number 3, love life. Saro, di magka-love life?
Wala gyud mo gialang-alang, Jai.
Wala, Joday.
Net yung love life yung talaga.
Yo, love life. So top 3 priority, love life.
Ako 1 lang. Ako din.
And after a few months, yun na, nag-manifest na talaga siya.
Good, may love life na.
Nice strategy. Ganyan pala ang strategy.
Yes.
Guys.
So yun.
Kasi ginaluhodan yun ni Mama A every night.
Oh my. By the way, Mother P is watching us. We are very honored to have Mother P watching us right now. Hello, Mother P. We love you. Mwah, mwah.
Hello, Mother P. Hello, Inang
Hello,
Pa.
Queen.
Inang Pa.
Queen Mother.
Inang A at Inang Pa.
Yes, our queen. And a reading for Bella Chow Arian, aka
Bella,
Yo.
whatever your relationship, nagsasabi ang card within the next few months.
Oh my, ano?
Hindi ko alam kung
Uy,
kasal
muli na
ito.
daw.
May ano yan?
Ako, social distancing.
Agoy.
Hala.
Hindi ko alam kung may magbubunga sa relationship o kung ano man to, basta within the
Agoy.
next few months. Ang few months nito, 3 months ha?
Okay.
Agoy, season na gyud na siya sa durian, Jai.
Mainit-init pa.
Durian.
Init na gyud na, Jai. O basig mag-Christmas na.
Oh.
Agoy.
Alright. Thank you, Kuya Ato.
Rap.
Nag-blush ka, no? Nag-blush ka.
Grabe yung energy.
Nanawagan ta si Mong Boylet, B. Nanawagan mi sa amo ang kuan sa Boylet Ibelia. Punta, nagtanaw ka sa live, no?
Hello.
Nagpalit na siyang ticket.
Hello daw, ingon ni Myra. Myra is saying hello to everybody. Hello.
Hello, Myra!
30 lang daw ang invited sa kasal ni Ate Arian.
Uy, ano lang. Uy,
Bawal gihapon.
10 na lang.
25 na. 25
na
na
lang.
pwede na raw.
25
Pero sa
na.
simbahan 10. Oh.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Gisingot ko na.
Arian, ikaw yung makatag og PS5 ni Paolo.
Oh.
Ni Paolo ganito.
Hala, abi ko na kog ikaw.
Ikaw man ang kaslon. Charot.
Mag-apoy na lagi. Mag-apoy.
Nag-enjoy si Jenny. Oh, tawa ng tawa.
Kaya nga eh. So sige, thank you for that.
Thank you, Mother A. I love the
You're
message.
welcome. My pleasure.
Yan. So next, who would like to go next?
Ako na, mama. Inang. Special kasi yan kay Shifo. Last na yan si Shifo.
Okay na ako na next sa third. Muli niya na ako.
Sino na? Sino na next? Sino yun?
po.
Mag-random ka na lang.
Sino si Sai?
Random calling.
Jenny.
Si Jenny is Jenny. Jenny Rarity.
Jenny, I'll spread you my golden tarot card, Jen.
Wow, sa'yo na daw yan.
Thank you, mama. I receive.
Jen, hindi ko kilala to. Merong isang lalaki.
Oh my.
Sino na
Agoy.
naman yung lalaking yan? From Italy ba yan, Char?
Agoy.
Ano
Pero-
na naman yung lalaking yan?
Confused tong lalaking to. Hindi niya alam kung
I
itutuloy
bet.
niya ba
Sorry.
o hindi.
Pero straight sa mama, ha?
This is straight. This
Ikaw
is
ang
straight.
magpapabuhay sa kanyang divine masculine.
This is a straight guy.
Okay.
This is a straight guy.
All right.
It's a right timing for you to have the relationship.
Oh my, bakit lahat nagkaka-relationship? Bongga talaga to si mama eh. Love
Ewan ko
goals
sa
talaga siya.
card. Hindi ko alam.
I think as above so below, baka may relationship na din yan si Mama.
Pero
A.
Jen,
Oh,
hindi ko
feeling
alam.
ko nga.
What
The reason
do we
why
know?
Hindi niya masabi sa'yo, hindi ko alam kung na-intimidate siya or meron siyang fear eh.
Baka nga Bex siya, mama. Char lang.
Huwag naman.
O yan, no? Joke lang. Eh, di maging friendly pa tayo. Maging unicorn na talaga tayo nito, Char.
Jen, how is it for you, Jen?
Ano? Bakit ako pinapawisan, mama? Wala naman akong hininging lalaki, Char.
Pero
What
ano,
else
I
is
receive na
possible?
lang. O, what else, diba? I receive, mama. Lalo na yung tarot cards na golden. O, the verb.
Pakapin.
oo.
Thank you very much. Bongga ang energy ni mama ngayon, ah.
Kaya nga.
Oo.
I think pati
Spreading
din
the
ang Midnight
love.
Unicorn Club.
Yes.
Yeah.
ah.
Tina siguro talaga yan kasi si Tina ang ating madam dito.
Yeah.
Alam nyo,
Sa iring si
na-realize
Tina.
ko, based on the research, pag full moon pala, hindi mo dapat harapin ang full moon. dapat nakatalikod ka sa moon.
Para
Bakit daw
Para
po?
yung kanyang energy pumasok sa batok mo.
energy po.
Oo. Hindi mo siya dapat tignan. Dapat nakatalikod ka sa kanya kung gusto mo mag-moon bathing.
Tapos, kunyari, papunta ka doon kung saan ang moon. Kunyari, kasi may tindahan doon sa unahan. So, dapat paatras sa paglakad mo, di ba? O, sige. Ayan, nanay kikasugat. O, sa maning sigbin. Lain po. As in.
Love the share and love the mga natin ngayon, energies. Mother P still watching us. And yeah, interesting take on the moon, 'di ba? That is a wonderful way na naman to natutuwa ako sa ni AV of the Great Lands. The fur baby is there joining us. We have our feline friend here joining us in the live. Oh, yan. Yeah, we have
Jeanette. Mayor ba yan?
Yes, Mayor.
Baka si Kat magpa-read din.
Magpa-read daw si Mother P.
Okay.
Bongga.
Mother P.
So everybody who's watching, just stay tuned. And we're still doing readings with Mama A live from Boracay. So since we cannot go to Boracay right now, we'll just get the energies of the beach from Mama A, our love coach, Atho de la Cruz.
Okay. Mother P, alright. Ang lahat ng iyong effort ay na-recognize it through abundance. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng binigyan mo ng tulong financially, na-appreciate ka nila. Okay? And it's overwhelming of joy, love, and happiness for these two cards. However, merong card about angel answer. Okay. I think magle-level up ka na ngayon sa pinagagawa mo kasi sabi niya dito, choose a new direction.
Goosebumps! Oh my God! Miss International na talaga si Queen P.
Exactly. So, ibig sabihin yan, magle-level up na ikaw. So, choose to go level up na. Okay? And then, again, na-appreciate ng lahat ng mga taong tinulungan mo in terms of finances. And this is an overwhelming of joy, love, and happiness.
Wow, amazing.
There you go.
Wow, love the reading. Go international, go global. And next we have EJ, Eric James.
Oh my God, this is a relationship card.
Wow, go EJ.
Grabe yung relationship cards ni Mama.
Dami namang unions.
Yung, hindi ko alam kung may girlfriend ka ngayon ha. Pero kasi mukhang nagsiselos ang girl sa iyong trabaho. Masyado kang focus ngayon sa work mo. Bigyan mo daw siya ng time. And always follow your heart in terms of decision making. You will never go wrong. That's your card.
Iba talaga pag follow your heart, no? Charets. Di ba, Shifu?
Follow your heart, aka what's light for you. Diba?
Exactly.
Next, we have, thank you for that reading, Mama A. I am sure na EJ yon. Then we have Janelle Torres. Ion Torres.
Janelle.
Friend.
Janelle is an answer card for you. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition. Listen.
Kusga pa, please. Listen to your intuition. Echo.
Echo na mo.
Echo. Listen to your intuition. Si Goddess Tina daw, be? Ikaw daw, be?
Goddess.
Ikaw magsabi ng listen to your intuition.
Ay, kumakanta na si Maggie.
Oh, kanay.
Si Maggie.
Singing.
Si Maggie na lang daw mo kanta, uy.
Ay, galing ni Maggie.
Hello, cute.
Ginasungog na si Janelle karon sa iyang mga friends sa Facebook. And there, from Ate Arian's friend, si Aurora.
Aurora.
What's her name?
Aurora.
Okay. Follow your passion. Huwag mong isipin ang mga trabaho na hindi mo gusto. You're only compromising. Kung ano yung passion mo na gusto mong gawin, yun ang dapat mong gawin. Kasi yan ang magbibigay sa iyo ng financial sustainability.
Wow, I love that.
Interesting.
Love it.
Thank you.
Meron pa ba from our readers? So if none, then I'll go, Mina.
Yay!
Yay!
Tina Bells! Oh, sige. Tina Bells.
Oh my God, what else is possible? How does it get any better than this?
Boyfriend! Ay, husband! God! Oh my God!
Oh,
Partner.
Alam, madali na yung PS5 ni Paolo.
There's a good news coming. Okay. I guess this is all about leadership. Tina, this is all about leadership.
Yay, crown ang basa mo.
And this is about inheritance.
Bonggels.
Wow.
Naineng o ano dang inheritance, Char?
Ano yan?
About inheritance. Mamanahin mo to. And this is a good news.
Okay.
Oh, nag-agree si Maggie.
Oh, happy good si Maggie.
As in leadership, Jod. Magpalupad na siya og spacecraft.
Yes.
Siya mag-leader og bungkal og yuta.
Leadership. It's the legacy of the parents than leadership legacy.
Masunod na raw dyan si Abby.
Then we have Abby.
Sunod ako. Ako day last. Kay overtime na ta. Charot lang. What else is possible?
Abby! May plano ka ba maglumipat ng trabaho? Kasi kung lilipat ka ng trabaho, doon mo mamimit ang iyong relationship.
Oh my God!
Oh.
Grabe.
Direct to the point, ha? Direct to the point. Abby,
Bongga talaga to si Mama
may
eh.
plano kang lilipat ng trabaho, doon mo mamimit ang iyong relationship.
Lipod-lipod.
I think naglipat na siya trabaho na una na ang relationship.
Yeah.
And look, the angel answer says there's something better.
Oh.
Napaka-chismis lagi niyang kay Abby.
Sorry, guys. I thank you for that. Ano, sorry.
Natawa siya, oh. Okay.
Okay. Demure na ako, demure.
Bag si Avi karon kay ano pa. Yeah. So, by the way, the next daw reading muna is si Myra because she's waiting. Sorry, Myra.
Oh,
Ay, si Myra! By the way, we would like to congratulate Myra. We honor Myra for her achievements also. Nakita lang na ako sa post ba. Congratulations,
Congrats, Myra.
Yeah. Myra, yung kino-congratulate sa'yo, meron pang darating na mas bongga.
Bonggang-bongga.
Always have a meditation because kung ano man yung mga tanong mo sa buhay, dun mo lang makukuha ang answer sa inner guide mo. Do not read books, do not seek any other knowledge or point of view of other people, but follow your inner guide because your inner guide will give you more answers. However, better, more, this is a card of celebration.
Wow. Love that.
Wow.
Overflowing abundance. Congrats, Myra.
What else is possible?
True. And our readings are all about either abundance, healing, or wonderful love relationships. Love it. So next, of course, last but not the least.
Dali lang. Anong wala love relationship ni Tina?
Naging ano man. Sige, yung nga na lang na. Hindi na natin na
Kay pag mag-leadership na daw, dun na daw, Char.
Ay, tama.
Charot.
Sige.
Ate Rhea, I think wala pa sa Ate Rhea.
Talagang grabe yung mga cards ngayon, oy.
Let's have Ate Rhea Yap first.
Hi, Rhea.
Hi, Ate Rhea. Tai China.
Yes, we miss our Tai Chi sessions with Shifu Ken. We're supposed to have it this Thursday, but maybe we'll do it next week because we have like a lot of things in store.
Sai, this is yours.
Ay, sa Alzay. Okay. Hindi pa ni Rhea. Okay. Okay, yes. I received.
Sai, meron ba nagbibigay sa'yo, nag-offer sa'yo ng financial support? Tanggapin mo na. Huwag ka na magpa-cute.
Oh, yes, of course. I received.
Meron.
I received inheritance
from all
din daw.
Directions. Inheritance si Tina. Yay!
Pangdagdag to sa negosyo na naiisip mo.
Ay, marami akong business sama pala. Open for delivery every day kami. Yes, so yeah, Nami DXN, Artsy Quartzy, Mystic Angel, CP Market, and we also have Seat Surrender and Daddy Licasis and tindahan ni Bebe Boy. So, yeah, bagbaligya na pud mig babae po, joke lang. Charot lang.
Og lucky, oy.
Pwede lucky.
Yeah, so, yeah, pati lucky, of course, para kay Tina o kay Jimmy. Okay, wala na nagagay si Maggie.
Sai, trust.
Yes.
Trust daw.
Of course. I do. I reset. Yes. Thank you so much.
Love that. Love all the readings. And
thank you. What else is possible? Thank you, Mama.
Yay.
So lucky.
Before we end, we have last ball. Ate Rhea, please.
Tignan mo nga ako na dyan pa si Mami Dot. I'll spread card for her.
Mama A, are you listening to me?
Naalaman na si Mami Dot.
Andyan pa?
So, pero before kay Mami Dot, can we have a reading for Ate Rhea Yap first?
Okay.
A father-daughter concert na.
What are you drinking? Love that. What are you drinking?
Yeah, my current coffee today is classic.
Wow, kalami.
Coffee classic.
Ray, meron kang transaction?
Uy, bonggens.
Meron kang transaction. The question is, ipagpaliban mo muna within the week. Next month mo na siyang gawin. Hindi siya favorable for this month.
Interesting, Miss Rhea.
Wow.
Mga transactions sa tableya, Ate Rhea.
True. Hindi pa daw ready. Hindi pa ready.
The angel answer card says unlikely. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa talaga pwede. Pagpaliban mo muna. Pero matutuloy ito. Hindi lang siya right time.
What else is possible, Ate Rhea? And how does it get any better than that?
Chillax first.
So, ang next at ang ating pang-last na card reading is for Miss Dorothy.
Yes.
Wait lang. Check
for dear Mother Dorothy. Yes, Maggie.
Ma'am, it's a celebration. Yay. And within the next few weeks. By the way, yung anak pala ni Mom Dot, baka mag-give birth na.
Ay, tama. Bongels.
And this is also a celebration for John.
Yeah, it looks like Kuya John too.
Yay, that's it.
Thank you very much for your loving energies.
Yay!
My pleasure.
Maraming salamat, Inang
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you also for this time. Because it's full moon and you give me a chance to read the cards, and that's the reason why I use all my cards, so that actually it's our celebration with my cards dahil sumasagot na siya ngayon.
Wow. Oh yes.
Sinagot ka na niya.
Perfect.
Ibig sabihin may certainty na. Ibig sabihin yan, we're moving towards a new reality.
Wow. Bongga.
Thank you so much for tonight and for spicing our night, our Midnight Unicorn Club. And always be here every Monday, 10 p.m. And we'll bring you can ask us questions, like whatever. Sometimes we'll use our own stock. What do we know? And those kind of things. And thank you for all in the Zoom call, for all the unicorns in the Zoom call. This is the club where we don't need any beer, but you can have your bars.
Yes.
One of us.
Yes, we run your bars. Who run the world? Bars. Who run the world? Bars.
So what is bars? Bars is an access consciousness tool. It's a body process that all of us here can offer. And yes, Mama A is also one of the Access Bars certified practitioner in the Philippines. So I think we have a lot naman in the Philippines na practitioners. And currently we have a lot also here in Davao. So yes. Everybody.
So, wait lang.
Yes.
Mag-plug po ko og Access Bars class. So Access Bars class certification class is already open. So you just message us, si Tina or just Mystic Angels, i-message nyo lang kami if you want to register. And we have a lot of workshops na paparating. So you just stay tuned. Just sign up, just like and follow Mystic Angels.
Pa-plug na rin.
Yeah,
okay,
sure.
Next Sunday, if you're available at 9 p.m., we have international guest, Aaron Abdi, from Colorado. He is a very good teacher of A Course in Miracle. So just tune in Tribe of Love, A Course in Miracle page for our live streaming.
Ayun. So, if you are not yet in the group page of the ASIM or A Course in Miracles Tribe of Love Tribe of Love na group page. Kindly join now so that you can see so that you can have access to the live stream. So, and what else is possible that Aaron Abka will be there live for everybody. So we also have thank you for that, Mama A. Thank you for that, Love Coach Ato, just to be formal in this call. And we'd also like to plug other calls that we have. It's also for free. We have every Wednesdays, we have the Sisterhood of the Rose at 2 p.m. Just stay tuned lang talaga sa Mystic Angels. We also send out the posters, and you can private message us for the link, okay? Then at 3 p.m. we have Get Happy Unicorn. So why is everybody in this call very happy, and just everybody is just happy? So all the tools, we will share it there at the call, and we will do lots of tools, and we'll share lots of tools for you. And then we also have, what else? Tea Time Thursdays. I don't know if it's Tita Jenny. Tita Jenny, would you like to be? Thursday?
Oh, pwede na po.
Okay. So
yes.
Thursdays with the Fox Tribe naman ito. This will happen at exactly 3 p.m. It's also a Zoom call, but we also post previous recordings on our YouTube. So you can also follow us on YouTube, Fox Tribe. So again, we also have Emotions Anonymous naman every Saturday, 5 p.m. So yan. And then, of course, don't miss us every Sunya Sundays with Ven Nagajiva, our Shifu or master. Ayaw daw na patawag ng Shifu, so we'll just call him Sensei. Dr. Lim Shojin. He's teaching us the ancient Sunya practice, really straight from Buddha himself. So we are currently, if you're learning from Datuk Dr. Lim, you are the 61st generation of Buddha. So yeah, that's the lineage of our practice. So what else is possible, and how does it get any better than this? So if you
plugging si Mother P, ha?
Yay! Mother P has Angel Vibes at Sunday, 8 p.m.
Sunday that is happening on 2:30 p.m. You head to Mother P's Facebook page, and she has her Angel Vibes every 8 p.m. since the pandemic, even before the pandemic. And it has been a gift and a contribution to all. So thank you so much for that. And sino pa ba who's doing all the lives?
Yes. By mid-July, I think Mother P is also holding another batch for Angel Guidance. Yeah. So again, check out her page, Angel Vibes, so that you can confirm, or if you can give her a nod if you're interested, so that all the materials will be prepared. This is going to be international edition. Oh yeah, no, sabi ni Maggie. Yeah, she's going international, so you might be interested to hop on this batch as well, right, Maggie? Miss you.
Oh, yon. Thank you for that addition, to Jenny. I am sure a lot of people will join the next batch for certified angel card reading. So if you want to learn how to read cards for you, your friends, and your family, this is a wonderful time to get certified and be a part of the community of Earth Angels. So anybody else would like to plug? Of course, don't forget Mystic Angel CP Market for all the Len Helens. All our, we have all the stuff there, crystals, malas, plants to Bebe Boy.
And Botijo.
We have books, Joy of Business beside me. We have this available. So if you want to learn more about whatever, how to run your business, and to learn more about joy and money.
Yes.
Message on orders. We ship anytime. So magbabay na siguro.
Everybody, we're extending now for 6 minutes. We're only here for an hour. And thank you so much for watching till the end. Hello to our 22 million viewers.
Wow.
And thank you so much. We appreciate and honor everyone who watched till the end. And Sheshe.
Thank you. See you again next week.
Salamat.
Salamat. Thank you, Happy Bean. I love
Bye-bye.
Yes, ang cute ni Happy Bean. Bye.